Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to Resource Prepping. I'm your host, Greg. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and being here. This message is for the senior citizens who view my channel, and I'm talking about saving you money that the county auditor won't tell you about. I'm talking about the Homestead Exemption Act. It is available in all 50 states, passed by the House and Senate. Completely legal. There is no gray area. There's no, well, you could try this and see. No, this is totally legitimate, but the county auditor will not tell you if you are a homeowner. And that if you're over 65, you are entitled to have your property taxes reduced or eliminated through the Homestead Act. Homestead Act. That's the other page that was attached to the form. I called the county auditor, spoke to the secretary there, asked her if I was eligible to have my property taxes reduced or eliminated, and she said under the Homestead Act, so she knew exactly what I was telling you about. And the county will not tell you if you're 65 or older. They won't tell you. It is up to you to ask and inquire. I said, yeah. So she asked me if I had a valid ID. I said, yes. Did I file the state taxes here in Ohio? I said, yes. She stated an amount of income, filing a single, which I am. Filing a single, here's what I'm allowed to make. And I said, I'm underneath that. And she goes, come on in if you want to. It'll take you 10 minutes to fill out the paperwork, and we'll have an answer for you within that time. Or we could mail you the form, you fill it out, send it back, but at least it'll be a week to 10 days before you can do anything about it. I said, I'll make the drive, it's worth my time. Drove to the office, very pleasant lady, very knowledgeable, very helpful. All I did was show my ID to prove that who I am. She looked me up on the auditor's website, verified I am the homeowner. She said, fill out this page, which was very easy. Single page, maybe 5 questions. Wrote down my name, my phone number, my email address. She verified that, looked up my tax filings, and immediately said, I reduced your property taxes by $325 this quarter. And another quarter, we'll reduce it again. $325 eliminated off the book under the Homestead Act. Homestead Act. Now, that may not seem like a lot of money to some people, but if you're a senior citizen on fixed income, that sure is a lot of money. That's a lot of money for 15 minutes of my time. That's a huge savings. I also started shopping around for homeowners insurance from different companies. And I found one, it's a name brand. You've seen the commercials. And I said, okay, I want to match my current homeowners insurance. You match it, same deductible, same everything. Don't play any games. I won't go with that. Yeah, okay, I'll transfer my auto policy. We'll bundle and save. On the homeowner's insurance alone, I save $600 a year. Exact same coverages. I'm like, show me the money. So I switched my auto and home. Same coverages on the auto. That saved me $200 a year. And I'm going to do that every year. Being on a fixed income or limited income, where you can only earn so much, that adds up to real money. Now, between those two savings and my homeowner's insurance is escrowed, by saving that kind of money, I'm going to call my lender and ask for an escrow review, seeing how I just knocked off $1,000 in savings, and they had already raised my homeowner's payment $100 a month because of taxes and insurance. I just reduced the taxes and insurance substantially. I am now putting money back in my pocket. But under the Homestead Act, the county will not tell you you are eligible if you're 65 years or older and meet the standard incomes. It's up to you. And she said, I'll keep you on the books as long as you don't go above that income and you still own your home and you're still living. I'll save that money. It's worth it to me. Homestead Act. Totally legitimate for your exemptions. Look it up. Take action. Takes you maybe all of 15, 20 minutes out of your daytime to save you some money. And that's a lot of money. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. Let me know in the comments down below if you do it. I certainly do appreciate it. Spread the good news. Greg out.